flats, no heels flats.
That's every girl's
Yeah,
problem
yeah,
here with
yeah.
heels. Or
I have to behave like that. But
okay, so let's ask some spicy question to you. Money or love?
love. Love.
Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast. I'm Yashika and I'm super excited for today's episode as we have a very special guest, Aisha. She's a brilliant content creator and I wanted her for ages. So let's get into it. Hi Aisha, how are you?
Hi Ashika, thank you so much having me here.
You're looking so beautiful. Which lip shade you wear? It's awesome.
Okay, thank you so much. So right now I'm wearing my ELL18 bubble lipstick in the shade brown bubble. So yeah, you can order it from Myntra online, like from any platform.
Amazing. So just tell me about yourself.
Thank you so much, Ashika, for having me here. And I'm super excited to be here. And Yashika, you are looking fab. You are such a looking fab.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So I'm a content creator and I'm also known as Ash from Ash and Blush YouTube channel. I usually make content related to makeup, lifestyle, skincare. Like I'm just a girl who just pick up a camera and start sharing her world with you guys. So yeah.
It's really suits you, the makeup and everything. And I want to know that from where did you thought of becoming a content creator? It's a very big step. Though.
See, since my childhood, I'm very keen in makeup. Like seeing my mom applying lipstick, applying eyeliner, applying mascara, and all that. I'm like too much into makeup. And around 2016, when YouTube started getting popular among the people, I used to watch a makeup related video. I used to watch it keenly, like I really want to learn it. Like that. So there was a YouTuber, Shy Styles. I used to follow her a lot, and I behave like at the same time I behave like I'm a YouTuber and I talk like, hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Like since that started. And even in my family, whenever I do makeup, my family suggests that you should start YouTube channel. You talk well, you have confidence, you do work.
So they
Good.
supported you a lot.
Yeah. My family is very supporting. I'm come from a very lovely, supporting family.
They don't have any
No,
problem
they
about
don't.
it.
Even my mom is so lovely, so jolly. Even she's my first inspiration to do makeup.
Really, every girl's dream is to do makeup every time. So I don't think I should ask or not, but do people recognize you in public? And how does it feel, like a celebrity or not?
Yes. People does recognize me in public, and it's like dream come true. It's amazing feeling whenever whenever people see me, they say, "Oh, she's Ash and Blood. You're Ash. You're Ash," and it feels like I have achieved something. And they always say to me, "You really gives amazing tip. Make content like that. Make video like that." And I really love them. People loves me actually.
You get inspiration from them.
Yeah. I get inspiration. I take my camera and start vlogging with them. Yeah.
Oh, are you the same person which we see in the videos, or something different story is there
No,
behind it?
I'm very different personality.
Oh,
My personality is way too much different from the personality which is on internet. I'm very introvert, but when I come onto the camera, I have to behave like, because nobody likes me. Hey guys, welcome back. No, my audience like me. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have to behave like that for my audience, and it's my work, and I love it. Yeah, it's just like that.
you want to be
Yeah, but the one thing I would I want to say that I place lots of boundary between my personal life and my professional.
you like to keep it private.
Very
most of the
private.
time.
Like since I've started my YouTube channel, I have decided I would not going to post anything controversial, anything gossip about my family. I was very clear.
Do you share your personal problems in your videos, or there's something which you want to share, any problem you face, but you can't share it because of multiple thoughts coming, you know
Yeah.
what I'm trying to
Yeah, I
say?
understand, Yashika. First of all, I never ever share my problem on social media. Never ever. Because I think my life is very personal, very private. I come from a very rooted family, very cultural family. I can't just come on the camera one day and share, see guys, I'm facing this problem and that problem. No, I will not. I will not share any gossip, any personal controversial thing on my social media. And I have set my clear boundaries between my I have set my clear boundaries between social media and my public.
Okay, this been so serious.
Right,
So
right.
let's come back to our another fun segment, which is a rapid fire.
Oh, it's my favorite part.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
it's my
very
favorite
much.
part.
So let's start.
Yeah.
Long videos or short videos?
Our shorts. But it's
Heels or
easy to make.
heels or flats?
Flats, but no heels flats.
That's every girl's
Yeah,
problem here with
yeah.
heels. Or editing or shooting?
Shooting, editing is very difficult. Editing is very difficult.
Introvert or extrovert?
Introvert.
Okay.
See, I have to behave like that.
But okay. So let's ask some spicy questions
Okay.
also. Money or love?
Mm, love.
Love,
Love, no, love, because if I choose money, what happened? If I have money, to what will I do? If I have love, I'm not only talking about boyfriend, girlfriend, wala love. No.
Family love.
Family love. If I have the love of my parents, I would wake up and do something for my family. I would say that.
Okay. Looks or personalities? Though we
Personality.
have the both, so awesome. But
Personalities.
personalities.
I also need someone with personality, looks, I'm like so much bubbly girl from inside.
Soft girl or savage girl?
Soft girl. I behave like I'm savage. I can do that. I can do this. No, but from inside, I'm very soft hearted. आंसू इधर रखे रहते हैं.
This was very beautiful. Thank you, Aisha, for being so raw and real with us. But we have to end it here. Thank you so much. And
Yeah.
and you guys, if you enjoyed the podcast, do share, subscribe, and also tell us which part was your favorite.
So, okay. Thank you so much, guys. And